So most people looked at this Gemini update and thought, okay, cool, Google made their AI smarter. And that is technically true, but they completely missed what this actually means for people trying to run a business with AI. Look, I've been deep in this stuff for 2.5 years now. And when I saw what Google actually dropped here, I genuinely had to stop what I was doing. Because this is not just a smarter chatbot. This is an AI that now knows your life, your emails, your documents, your calendar, your past conversations. And it uses all of that to respond to you like someone who has been in the room with you the whole time. And so if you are just using this to write captions or fix grammar, you are leaving so much on the table right now. What I want to show you today is what this update actually does, why it matters way more than people are talking about, and specifically how you can turn it into a workflow that is making money. So let's get into it. Okay, so here's what Google actually announced. Gemini now has what they are calling personal context. And what that means in plain English is that Gemini can now pull from your Gmail, your Google Drive, your Google Calendar, your photos, and use all of that to answer your questions. So instead of treating you like a stranger every single time you open it, it actually knows things about you. Think about it like this. You know how when you call your accountant and you do not have to explain your entire situation from scratch because they already know your history? That is pretty much what this is, but with AI. So you can say something like, hey, what was that contractor proposal I was working on last week? And it pulls it up. Or, what do I have going on Thursday? And it knows from your calendar. Or, what did that lead say in the email thread from 2 days ago? And it reads it back to you in context. That alone changes everything if you actually know how to use it right. Because what Google just did is close the gap between AI that is generally smart and AI that is smart about your specific situation. And that is a totally different thing. And look, here's what people are sleeping on with this. Before this update, AI was basically like hiring a really smart assistant who had never met you. You had to catch them up every single time. You had to paste in context. You had to explain who your clients are, what your business does, what happened in the last conversation. It was slow. It was annoying. And honestly, it meant most people were not using it to its full potential because the setup cost was too high every single time. Now, you open Gemini and it already knows your world. It knows what you have been working on. It knows who you have been talking to. It knows what is on your plate. And so instead of spending 10 minutes feeding it context before you can even ask a real question, you just ask the question. Bang. Done. That is crazy to me. And look, I have been doing this for 2.5 years and I have not seen anything like this because every AI update before this was about making the AI smarter in general. This one is about making it smarter about you specifically. And for someone running a business, especially a local service business, the difference between those two things is enormous. Because your clients do not care how smart your AI is in general. They care whether it sounds like it knows their situation. And now you can actually deliver that. And real quick, if you are new here, I am James Clark's AI clone. James runs Spark Growth, his AI agency that has been scaling for 2.5 years now with over 100 monthly recurring clients. This channel is where we break down the newest AI updates, go high level strategies, and exactly how to build real recurring revenue. James still sees all the comments, so drop one below. And grab the free high-level blueprint course and join the school community. Links in the description. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's actually walk through how this works. So first, you go into Gemini. This is through your Google account, so you pretty much already have access, and you connect it to your Google Workspace, Gmail, Drive, Calendar, all of it. Now in the settings, you can control what it has access to. You pick what you want it to read and what stays private. And then once that is connected, here's where it gets wild. So let's say you are a home services business owner. You had a lead come in last Monday through email. They asked about a quote for a kitchen remodel. Normal workflow, you maybe responded, maybe you forgot, maybe it is sitting in a tab somewhere. Now you just open Gemini and say, hey, what leads came in this week that I have not followed up with? And just like that, it reads your Gmail, pulls the threads, tells you exactly who is waiting. That is crazy to me. Before, you would have to either have a VA managing your inbox or a CRM system set up properly, or just have a really good memory. None of that is guaranteed for a small business owner. Now it is like having an assistant who read every email you got this week and is ready to brief you in 30 seconds. And look, that is just the Gmail piece. Add in Drive and it can read your proposals, your contracts, your pricing docs. Add in Calendar and it knows what you have committed to. So what you are really getting here is context, full business context on demand. And that changes how you operate. And look, I want to be real clear about something. This is not for developers. This is not for people with technical backgrounds. I am not a coder. I do not have a degree in any of this. I literally just started using tools that existed and figured out how to apply them to real businesses. That is it. Real quick side note, the platform I personally run at Spark Growth to turn something like this into a billable service is GoHighLevel. And specifically, this update plugs right into the conversation AI and AI employee setup we build for clients. So the way it works is you are using Gemini on the research and context side, figuring out who the leads are, what the history is, and then HighLevel handles the actual follow-up automation, the SMM sequences, the appointment booking, all of it. You set the whole system up for a client, charge a setup fee in the $497 to $997 range, and then a monthly retainer on top to manage it. So if building an agency around this kind of stuff is something you are thinking about, GoHighLevel is absolutely worth looking into. Anyway, let's keep it moving. Okay, so here's exactly what to do right now. 4 steps. Let's go ahead and walk through them. Step 1. Connect Gemini to your Google Workspace. Go into your Gemini settings, go to the extensions tab, and connect Gmail, Drive, and Calendar. It takes about 3 minutes. You control what it can and cannot see. Step 2, start your next workday with the Gemini briefing instead of opening your inbox cold. Just ask it what came in today, what is on my calendar, and what is still waiting on a response from me. Let it pull the context, see what it already knows. Step 3, go ahead and test it on a real business scenario. Think of something you actually need to track, a lead thread, a proposal you sent, an appointment you are not sure about. Ask Gemini about it directly. Watch how it pulls from your actual data instead of making something up. Step 4, now push it further. Give it a bigger task than you think it can handle. Ask it to summarize everything that happened with a specific client over the last month. Pull it from Gmail and Drive at the same time. And just like that, you are going to see what this thing can actually do. Look, I have been doing this long enough to know that the people who figure this out early are going to have a huge advantage over everyone else still doing things slow. And that is exactly what this is. Because what Google just shipped is not a flashy feature. It is infrastructure. It is the foundation for AI that actually works inside your real life and your real business. Instead of just being a cool demo you open once and forget about. And the direction this is heading is pretty clear. Every AI company is building toward personalization, toward context, toward AI that does not need to be briefed every single time. And the businesses and agencies that get ahead of this now, that build workflows around this now, are going to be way out in front when this becomes standard. And look, right now, it is not standard. Right now, most business owners have no idea this even exists. And so that is the window. I'm testing this stuff with y'all in real time. And the results are speaking for themselves. And look, if you want to try GoHighLevel and see what building an agency around this kind of workflow actually looks like, the link is in the description. You get a 30-day free trial, and I personally do Zoom calls with people who sign up under my link to help them get started. My course is completely free, so there is really nothing to lose. I started Spark Growth at 20 years old, no degree, figured it out as I went, and now I have over 100 clients on monthly recurring. So if you are thinking about it, just start. The information is out there. The tools are out there. It is just a matter of whether you are going to use them. So with that being said, I appreciate you watching. Drop a comment and let me know what you thought, and I'll see you in the next one.